Ka jingwan jong ka klam COVID ha ka jela bat ka jingnang bun ki brio ki boyo yo te virus kala pen long ya ka Central Puja Committee ban hap perkhat thamai no da kumno ban pen be ya kalian yam puja menta usnam ka bojulong ha uni ubnai na kaliang ngopor habai kren bot president jong ka Central Puja Committee ba na ba bathachaji ulai thu ba na kaliang jong ka CPC hi kala pen khre menta laki jong ki kendon ban ya kren bat ka sarkar khnang ba ka jinglen yam puja jong ki kan ya rangkat bat ki kendon belabu da sarkar jela Katu kat ni na kita ki kendon ki kenthop bakin omai lat chu ya kiriu ngai Hindu bakin lek nakawai ke puja pandal syakawai pat banyele kamen. Nalor kata kin pek ru bakan omdon chu ki jing Yakob tem ksing kumba jule hakini kisnam baladam. Ka kendon ka bakitmu bandate perking kalong baha kapor bakile ban pengam ya kiblai ru kin omsha ikipai ba ban lek handai tang ki katu kat ningut e. Tu mentang in skap ya ke ka bau tei uhe du ka CPC udan ban ong halor kan ni ka jing penkre.
Actually, si ba 50 pem Ladon Way Forum, Shillong All Faith Forum, CPC Ru Ladon Lang Fitei Keng member. So I am also the joint secretary. So actually, we prepared the SOP together with the government of a joint committee. So Mantate Lal notify of government to SOPs to be followed. So accordingly, CPC also will adopt its own SOP as far as the coming festival season is concerned. Because as you have seen in the SOP, the last paragraph laid down that the annual festival or big festivals, Kum All Souls Day, Christmas, Satsuk Minsim, Durga Puja, laid down buffer to Niyam. So last now to SOP according to the each faith. So CPC also is in the process. Of course, Durga Puja will definitely be very, very low key. We are working out the SOPs. Next week, I think it will be released. Then we will discuss with the government and with the respective deputy commissioners regarding the SOP and come to an understanding. So as I said, it will be very low key. We are going for most of the puja committees will not go for idols. They will do the rituals. Of course, there will not be any letdown on the rituals. But as far as the other part, the entertainment part, then big pandals, then community feast, abiding by the SOPs, these will not be there. So once the Central Puja Committee is ready with the SOP, we will definitely share with our media friends who has always been supportive to us in all our functions. And as per the government notification, we will go ahead.
Since we saw that every year you have that big idol. So what will do this year?
This year we have said maximum 5 feet in a single structure. Almost 50% are not making idols also. And that's why immersion also we want to cut down the people going, maximum 10 to 15 people in a small vehicle. Only 5 persons we have proposed will be allowed. Our volunteers will be there. They will just dip and take out the idols so that there is no rush and social distancing is maintained, even immersion, because immersion is the main challenge. We have also proposed that there should not be any interlocality movement. People within their own locality should confine and do the rituals, maintaining all the protocols. We are not having this year because the drummers also are not coming. Mostly they come from outside. So this is also, you see, mainly as I said, is concentrating on all the rituals first, which is very important. I will not say difficult because I have been also a part of the joint committee with the government. In fact, the SOP committee was formed to dilute the government of India SOP. Like for example, taking out shoes. But when going to the church, shoes are not taken out. So we have modified that. We said you keep a sanitizing tray so people can go inside. Then outside also, those churches or mosques or temples who have space, we have said even service can be held outside. So these are certain things which we have made deviation. Then using 1/3 of the place of the available area. We have not gone by numbers of 100. because in the rural areas there are small churches which can accommodate only 25. So if we say 100, so people will put in, so it will be difficult to understand. So we are really grateful to the government also for understanding all the issues, and we have come up with this SOP.